Alright, so I just woke up. My voice sounds a bit funny, so I'm gonna have a water to keep myself good a bit. Yep, so that's the reason why I need to massage my back, and I'm using one of these things. It's the Theragun. It's like the therapist gun that most therapists use, and I'm one of the medical massage therapists. I can fix my own back. I use like the Thai bum if I have to, but normally it's not necessarily unless I really need it. Today I'm using this gun right here to get rid of the the back areas of your it's called a trochanterias, I think, or it's called the muscles, the back of the muscles. Yeah. So basically I'm using this to get both my shoulder blades on the side, and I'm gonna really turn it on to massage and break the knots, because I got knots in my back right now. So if anyone wants to get the knots back down track, I'll get my massage bed. I'll deep tissue your back, and then I'll use this to like break the knots as well. So turn it on. This is on high. I'm putting it on low. And I'm breaking the back knots on my back, so it really gets into the back, yeah. So if you can't hear it, if you can't hear me talk, let me know. But this is the back area of it. Sometimes it's better to hold it like this, and you get the knots in there as well. Get the other knots as well. Get both sides. It's good to relieve your muscles as well when you're like on a stress level. Like last night I was wearing a bra all night, and it kind of stresses my back as well because it concises everything else. And yeah, and I'm trying to show you like exactly what it is. Like the shoulder blades is right here, if you can't see it. I'll try to see so you can see it. Check it, put it on the side. Yep, so the areas of here, I can do it without I can massage without with clothes on, because I can feel the muscles where it is. And then we'll do the other side as well. So here, and then here as well. This is the shoulder, the bones right here, so you feel that. Look at the muscles in here. See the muscles? Oops, sorry. Just trying to get it in the right parts. I can use the other one if I have to, but this one's really more stable. Switch around, do exactly the same. Most times I'll pressure point with my thumb, because like we want to mimic the vibration of the muscles. So the shoulder blade is like called the trochanteria. Sometimes I forget the names of the muscles, but I still know the names of the muscles. It's just like really like if I have my chart with me, I have my muscle chart with me. Don't worry. If I have to open my own clinic, I can do it. It's not hard. But right now, because I'm not into doing massage, but this is like my side job if I have to do it for myself. And I can actually relieve anyone's muscles and relieve tensions up here as well. Because sometimes the muscles, it gets really tight from both ends, from here as well, and from here as well. You can feel like the cracking knots. Anything that's cracking and it's really like achy, that's the knots, yeah? It's because the muscles, they twist together and they become a knot. And you need to stretch every day and relieve your knots and do a lot of like relieving stretches, and that's where it helps out the most. Alright, so that's it. And if I want to turn on the high speed, I will. It's from 1750, and I'm going to turn on the high settings. So we're going to turn it to high setting level. So 240 is the maximum, and that's where you get all the knots in. Like if you really want to get like the high layers, you use this high vibration to like vibrate the muscles out. It breaks the knots, it relieves everything, so you get to see a lot of like my tension's been broken. Okay, so I'm gonna relieve this a little bit more. Oh, that feels so good. Sometimes around the neck as well, because your neck is like really important as well. So you want to get the side of the neck. So like this, you move on the side. You don't want to hit the bone of the muscles. Okay? You just want to get only the muscles, not the bone. So since I can feel myself, I know where it is. And when I have to touch someone else, I use my fingers to feel where the bone is, so I can like really get straight to the point. And yeah, that's how you break muscles, okay? And I feel at least 80% relief after using the session. So yeah, I feel amazed after this, and I hope everyone enjoys learning something new about me breaking my own knots in my muscles.